Hey guys, this is Bruce, and we're going to talk about a system engineering position in Huntsville, Alabama. Before we get started, you should know I have a course that talks about cybersecurity and one that talks about remote work, and actually I'm producing a lot more to come. Just sign up for free. Might be something that you're interested in. The reason why I do these deep dives into my own personal inbox is because I want to show what's possible for one thing, but also it's for noobs, like noobs coming in and want to, like, I get so many people contact me saying, asking me, like, I'm an IT guy, I'm in the help desk, I'm a network engineer, I want to get into cyber security, I want to get into more of security compliance. If you're interested in that, that's why I do these videos. Also, I do it for people who've already, maybe you already do this for a living, maybe you already do system engineering, you already do, and you're just looking for a job, and you just happen to type in that keyword, and here we are talking about it. So it's for both of you. It's for people who are trying to get into this field and people who are interested in knowing more about what does a systems engineer do. But it's also for anybody trying to get into IT or cybersecurity. Okay, let's get into this. And this is saying I have a job. It looks like, okay, it's come from ZipRecruiter. Let's just go ahead and check it out here. And this is in Huntsville, Alabama. And they're talking about the benefits: 401k, dental, medical. It's contractor work. I really like how ZipRecruiter does these because they're very, very rare that I see something that is not very clear about what they do. Even has the actual job corporation, which is Chipton Ross Inc. Must be big in Huntsville. Okay, responsibilities: provide systems engineering support and development of small satellite, projectile, missile, and sensor systems. Demonstrate strong communication skills between team members. Application of expert system engineering skills include knowledge of system and derived requirements, developmental and verification activities. Development of system concept of operation. Identify, understand, capture customer and stakeholder needs. It's a lot of meetings. Collaboration with engineer teams, program and project management. Translate stakeholders' needs into technical design, requirements, and interface. Risk management includes risk identification and mitigation planning. All right, this is really outside the scope of what I personally do. Are they asking for a security clearance? Let me see. Travel up to 25%. They're looking for a bachelor's, master's, or PhD in engineering or related technical disciplines from an accredited institution. All right, but I don't see any clearances. It's kind of weird coming from they said they talk about engineering, creating missiles and stuff. Interesting. Requirements. So I'll read a couple of these. Must have a thorough understanding of engineering concepts, principles, codes, theories, experience demonstrating a broad application of those concepts and expanding knowledge, principles, concepts, theories, and practices. Okay, let's keep going. Must have a strong communication, computer, documentation, presentation, and interpersonal skills. Ability to work independently as a part of a team as a part of a team. Able to perform complex tasks in one or more engineering areas, capable of representing the organization as a primary technical contact, lead as a team. It seems like it's like a team lead. They keep saying lead this and lead that. I don't know if this is just misleading or what, because it says system engineering. The title is, I don't know. If you're interested in this job, you call them, I would contact them and say, hey, what's going on with this job? Is this a lead position? Or I just happen to notice this is a lot of stuff where you want me to lead things, which that's fine. I just want to know what's going on. Just the language kind of speaks to like a management type, a supervisor type role, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm reading too much into it. All right, so that's it for this one. A system engineer, don't normally talk about these, but it's kind of a good way to know more about that field. System engineering. As a security person, I work with these guys a lot. It's good to know like what kind of things that they need to do or understand what their job entails and the scope of their job is kind of cool. All right, that's it, guys. Talk to you on the next one.